Lantana is a perennial shrub native to the tropical regions of the Americas and Africa. This flowering evergreen shrub belong to the verbena family and grow as perennials in USDA zones 8 to 11. They are treated as annuals in areas with freezing temperatures. Lantanas are tough plants that thrive in hot and humid location, and they produce clusters of nectar-filled blooms which make them a magnet for pollinators. In places where lantanas are treated as annuals, it is safe to plant them on the ground as they will die back in winter. In places where it will spread, it is best to plant them in containers to control their growth and not worry about them spreading. Plant lantanas in well-draining soil. If you have heavy soil, amend it with compost and sand to improve drainage. They require at least 8 hours of full sun a day. Established plants are drought tolerant, however, blooming will be reduced if they are too dry. Water deeply directly on the soil once a week for the plants to perform well. Avoid watering directly on the leaves and flowers to prevent diseases. Lantanas do not require fertilizing unless planted in containers. Excessive fertilizing will weaken the plant and inhibit blooms. Feed only half the recommended rate of a balanced fertilizer if planted in a container. Lantanas generally grow rapidly and bloom profusely, so prune them regularly to encourage bushier growth and repeat blooming. Deadhead spent blooms to prevent them from going to seed. Some areas in the U.S. consider this plant as invasive. If the plants have grown too large, cut them back to a third of their height and spread. Lace bugs, mites, whiteflies, and aphids can feed on lantanas. Any signs of infestation can be remedied by spraying insecticidal soap or applying horticultural oil on the leaves. Plenty of air circulation around the plant is required to prevent powdery mildew. Lantanas produce a profusion of red, yellow, orange, and pink flowers which are very attractive to butterflies and hummingbirds. The long and tubular flowers make it easy for them to feed on the nectar. Thank you for watching.